Steel Sting. So I got a new stream overlay if you
Why do
noticed.
all the chicks have bats?
Because the other one was good, but then had something they needed. So I'm just trying this one out to see
No one's dancing on the dance floor.
how it is.
Then again, it's probably really early. Oh, cool, VIP room.
I'm gonna test that out. I can't see. I couldn't see like.
How do I?
Can't see stuff like
I want to sit.
chat commands.
I'm trying to sit, bro.
But for now, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna use it for now. I mean, the other one I like was compact, and it gave me a notification sound, so I know someone chatted. So I'm gonna try this one out, see how it is. I might eventually go back. So I'm gonna try this one out, see how it is. I might eventually go back. Why is it always happening? See how it is. I might eventually go back. Why is it always happening? Oh god, I don't know why it's triggering my allergies or at least much as I don't know why it's triggering my allergies or at least much as I. And why is it everything highlighted already? And why is it everything highlighted? I know. And why isn't everything highlighted?
Way too early.
I know. And why isn't everything highlighted? Yeah, it's very nice. I know. Make a suggestion. Very nice. Make a suggestion. Make a suggestion. Right now. Make a suggestion. Make a suggestion.
So are we about to do some?
See,
How long until the
shit was tip.
Arasota thing starts?
Well, that's fine. I'll tip them out when I added some features, but let me do that later. Actually, should be doing that later. Fine. What else can I do it? So, I don't know. So we're gonna work on some. Ooh. So we're working in a game maker to making a game. I swore I deleted. Oh yeah, I just redid it. I did the fresh reinstall, huh? So of course, all of these will appear. Let's get rid of all that. Like,
At least I'm safe here because all the chicks have baseball bats.
I don't like when I make when I use gimmick. I like to have everything blank. I did a little brainstorming from I just want to make a roguelike. I didn't make a game before. I'll probably stream that one. But I wanted to make a less like another simple basic roguelike game.
Alright. Double tequila. I can barely even handle one. Okay. I find tequila really strong.
What the hell does that even mean?
To this.
Raise a glass to your mama. Hermana. Mamacita, you'll meet in the bar. But this doesn't say a damn thing.
To this. To this. To your mum.
This job.
I thought this is so. It's basically me gonna be spending so much time. You know, maybe I could just do the. I could use the Twitch chat overlay, right? But what I can do is instead.
Those are the rules, I'm afraid.
I can show it instead of show borders, but I'm just gonna post it. I'm just gonna minimize it. Keep it minimized. It's still here to chat. Like I did it. Like
Oh, there's
peace.
Oh, people.
I'll definitely be able to hear it. Sorry,
Oh, they're coming right for us.
that's will be fine.
Hello?
Turn off settings.
What's that do?
What's the room
Look at
settings?
Chunga's brother in the back.
Mm,
Yeah.
what's happening now?
You look like the guys that I work with. You from headquarters?
Browser, here we go. That's the browser. Default sort list. I don't want to use quick because I hate quick access. I want to create default folders.
Yeah.
Oh crap! I need to download Spine again. Shit.
Okay.
That's the one I used to add them all. I'm just right now. I'm just gonna
just give them fucking
program like the
they're on
basic
table, bro.
physics and
two options and they're both shit.
movement and stuff. So I don't really animate right now because I don't have any graphical assets yet. So I might as well just find this.
Oh,
But I've
shit.
got to remember
He's
to download
fucking
this
with me.
Spine at some point.
Whoa, he's taking my money?
Access to company networks is hereby revoked. In 2 minutes, any company cybernetics in your possession will cease functioning.
What?
Give us the data you received from Jenkins.
He just
This
took
will
something like a
conclude
few
termination
thousand credits from me. How'd you find out?
Right there?
Surrender the shop. Well, it doesn't seem like I could
Oh,
do
here you
anything.
go.
It's the same as the other one when I was
Default
in
room
the
size.
interrogation room. I can't do anything.
Missions on the shore.
I don't know how big I want this game to be. I'll always keep it my negative resolution. 1920.
So I was like top in society, and it looks like
Done.
This is where I'm gonna end up as like a bum, right?
But I think Abernathy would gladly up our fee for ridding her of a piece of rot like you.
Am I wrong?
Stand up.
They are.
With us. Come on.
No, I ain't going with no one.
We're not up yet. A good laptop doesn't
Jackie
turn on
Sabat.
automatically. So we're gonna create. Well, like my big, you know, I'll create one room first.
Watch out for Chunky behind him.
One room. And then short name. I'll name it to a room. That's like the initial room.
Get your hands off
And
me.
create an object.
Point at me, prick. Look at this
Imaging.
guy's face. When we see him,
We'll name it. Oh, cunt.
silent assassin.
Now be a controller. That's gonna obviously gonna control the game. We're gonna make it. We're gonna be visible. We're gonna
Did I just get fired?
persistent.
I feel like shit.
I wonder if we can. I never checked, but I wonder if we could change the default naming to the layers. I wonder.
What's wrong with me?
Whether-
Did I just get hacked? Did you just hit me with malware?
Yeah, different. Oh, I want. Let's just
My
move that
assassination
one.
going. I think I came.
I created my own layers.
assassinated
So I like. I like creating
I
this.
haven't even had a chance to build yet. I'm still.
This is for,
going through the
speeding up.
introduction part.
Speeding things up. I like using short names. Like for instead of instances, I have inst. And instead of
Anyway,
background,
so what I'm gonna do,
oops.
I'm gonna end up going back to what's his
instead of
name?
background, I just do
I
PG.
just lost
That's
everything.
it.
Oh shit!
PG.
There we go. I knew that was.
There's no reason to make it that long.
What about
Save.
the money I had?
So I have well, I'm pretty sure I have an automatic saver, right? That's the game settings.
I had a load of money,
Edit.
didn't I?
So basically, the game's gonna be called "Let's Go." That's an RPG. Yeah, that's what it's called. Shut up. And basically, the whole idea is just the characters are just gonna be streamers. It's basically streamers that, other than obviously me, but the other streamers I
Oh,
watch
Jack,
too.
did. I lost
Right
everything.
now, I have one
Still have
thing.
a
One
friend.
where is it? So I put a cool alternate to OneNote. For some reason, OneNote doesn't like my touchscreen,
There you go, the one.
so I had to download a different note-taking app.
Yep.
No, Jumpin' is okay, but it's not the best. Because
Yep.
it's just a table that's fucked up.
You hit me a bit hard.
See, there's supposed to be more after
You
this.
broke me, Jackie. I'm fragile.
Skip the dark.
I was falling in slow motion.
See, right there, here. This is literally supposed to be all on the table. For some reason, it's left up, so I guess I have no choice but to make it regular. Well, I guess I don't really have a choice but to table.
Why's it-
Box poop,
I died.
bro.
When you
DPS,
broke
that's
when I
mean.
died.
The way the game works is just it has a basic
It's the same as the other one. Oh, so really? So what? That was the only.
clearly have
difference.
roles
So when you
in the
pick your
character.
beginnings, it
Well,
is legit just the opening part. Oh, I guess there's dialogue options.
I'll make
maybe
fucking
as well.
get rid of all this shit. So I'll clearly have a role.
Priest and him.
Ultimate.
Hey, I know.
Okay. Yeah.
Hey, Big A.
Might have found a different note system because it's kind of pointless. I guess I have to do a picture individual one. I think 'cause I don't want to. That's fine. Oh shit, that's fine.
Hey, nice jack.
Rocket
Oh,
poop.
nice jack.
Basically, the raw
We
DPS.
don't really call it that, it's a bit gay.
So basically, it's supposed to be basically it's a platform side scroller side scroller kind of game.
I want like a.
I don't know if I'll have
Stories
platformer
about
in this one.
like
It should be a
that
side
sounds-
scroller. There's still be jumping and on
People?
stuff, but it won't be like super high jump. Be relatively
Oh,
realistic jump.
so it is
Realistic
exactly the same,
jump.
no matter
I just
what
added there
class
because some
you
people
pick,
like
you always get that
jumping. I don't know. I guess I add some traps that I'll avoid when you can avoid the jump. But for now,
Oh, I do get it.
jumping is just
Oh,
there
cool,
for
I got it.
fun.
Can I put silencer on it?
But anyway, so controls basically
If I'm not mistaken, I believe
like an
there's
action
stuff
RPG
that
kind
I
of
can get
thing.
in my room,
You get like a basic combo,
like a sword and shit.
and this is just my
I want I want to keep my
brainstorming their combo of the character.
We drive to my place.
Actually, she'll do like 1-2 punch, like left or right, and then the final hit will be a tail slam. And then you can block and dodge in the game, but it'll change depending on the character. For now, this character like block is a basic character right now. One of the basic characters you play DPS. So a basic block, which will decrease damage to 50%. And the dodge roll is a basic dodge roll. And you got a basic skill. So every character, I do like the format though. Like every like skill, basic skill, and ultimate. But basically, the basic skill works. It will always be in a CD. Other character, well, generally, it'll be on a CD. But it might change depending on the character. So I do like the idea of having different mechanics for a character. But for now, it's like the default template. Basic skills will have a CD, but advanced skills and ultimate will have so advanced skills will have a bar to fill up. Depending on the character, it'll fill up either from your basic combo or from your basic skill or whatever. It'll have different. Each character will have a different conditions to filling that up. And then ultimate,
right, so we actually get to assassinate someone
it's
now.
like I said, like I put down here, it will fill up based on the roles and character. Might be a bar, might be a stack or whatever. But so far, this character is supposed to be a DPS.
Debug.
So like the basic skill, so sculpting and rage, learn and roll and stuff like that. And then you got in the bottom, we got like skills, like skill. Like I like how Gunfire Reborn did their skill building, but they're not gonna be as deep as they're not gonna have a lot of options like them. So basically, what I'll do, you get 3 different trees to choose from. Well, different paths. I don't know, trees, paths, categories. Offense, a defensive one, and then like a utility kind of tree. That's basically it will be randomized, right? And like as you level up, you'll have to choose a skill from either a hunt one, a defense one, or a utility one. So like you can't get and that way each playthrough, each build will be different. So you won't be able to like play with one the same build that you want. That's pretty cool because I like games where you can just hop in and play, to pass the time and stuff like that. There's no end goal. It's just to just play it and build a character. But anyway.
Oh, it's tab. Okay.
So what should we do now? Oh, that's fine. I wanted to see if we could chase. No, that's fine. I don't want to create an object. Okay, group. Connect objects. So we have object groups. Create a group called rooms. Rooms.
Emergency on demand. Cyberware.
Oh, it's it. Since I didn't use plural in the other folder name, I'll just.
This one's packing black market Zeta Tech repros. Typical back alley fix-ups.
I'll just create a room.
Let's keep looking.
Then we're gonna create a group for scripts. I don't know why I mean, there's not much to commentate, I guess.
Oh.
When you're developing, it's just
I'm not mistaken. I
developing. I'm trying to. For some reason, I'm like commentating as if I'm making this a tutorial. It's not. Okay, good. Don't ask this project. Don't ask him ever.
Oh shit! No mind.
Obviously, the coding. We're gonna name this script. So, what's cool about the new updates in Game Maker? Before the script, the function, when you call them the function, it will be the script name will be the function name. But right now, you don't have to worry about. Now you don't have to. All the functions will be in the script thing. But this one will be the INI initial. But I'm gonna set a 000. So I look like I'm in my script initial. Where I set up the macros and stuff. My favorite thing to do is to create a global macro. Though they did say the global var was deprecated, but you can still use it. But just to be safe, I'll just create a macro. And plus I'll go call G. But this will be better actually.
Hey, take this guy out.
And be global. So I can just create let's see, G dot variable, right?
We'll do non-lethal.
Equals.
Oh, you're down here.
And then the
I was up in the
thing.
legend channel.
Then that variable just would be a global variable. I do like the global var, but again, it's deprecated, so probably not want
You didn't
to use
notice
it too
me in the
much.
other one? I didn't even see you in there.
No, no, no.
So then let's see. Let's say
I just
make a region.
I noticed you now. It's like
This region would be
hovered over the.
variables. I want to keep all my my variables and my universal scripts
Oh, okay.
on
You
here,
said I was a...
so I can just I don't want to keep hunting around. So this one will be variable setup.
Yeah. Ooh, you look cool. Okay, so you do more damage. No, you don't. I do more damage.
Of course, I'm not gonna.
Reload speed, attack speed.
As I
Gives me a
keep developing,
headshot
as I
bonus, the same as what I already have. So that's fine.
find,
That's what I already have. Stick with the W now.
crap, I find that
When
shit.
did I get my suit? I want my
That I'll
suit
change
back.
variables around
Right.
every now and then, but we're gonna create a global variable called
Now I've got stuff.
GM, which is short for game,
Upgrade.
and it's gonna be a struct, construct, well, struct. I
Oh,
mean,
need to see all my stuff.
construct, noob.
How are you playing the game?
Sorry?
And then I'm gonna set up the
How are you playing
initial variables. Like, let's see.
Oh, it's only just started.
I'm just have it set up. I don't actually have anything to create there yet,
Yeah, well,
but I just have it there to set up.
kill my target.
Let's see. I think definitely the game's gonna have a scoring system, maybe, because I like it's gonna be mixed with RPG, side scroller, and some arcade elements. So scoring is definitely a thing. Will definitely be a thing. Heck, oh yeah, that'd be cool. I'll give a scoring system, but then I have some skills or stats that I can. Okay, I'll still just do score. Oh, it's already a built-in one.
Well, that looks louder.
That's the points then. Oh wait, points. Somehow there's points in that point. Then a point. It's like a keyword or something.
This one is totally
Well, the
better.
points.
So what do I need? I just need
Starting out with 0.
Why is it insufficient? Oh, I need to break shit down, right? How do I break shit down? Inventory.
And then let's see. Go to
Backpack, here we go.
region.
This down. This
And then
is
makes
zero.
functions.
Okay, materials.
Functions are just
I
basically
need
like
to
methods.
so break that one down. What
I
else
mean,
do
like GM. Well, GM now is definitely better than it was before, but essentially it's
I'm wearing those. I don't
visually similar to like other object-oriented
Oh, can I break?
oriented
Disable-
programming.
What's this?
You can see some similar. If you've been programming, you see some similarities.
Disable
You don't have to worry about
disable.
shit like having to declare variables or anything like as a integer or string or int 64. It does it. The game does it automatically, so it's really good for like speeding up the developing process. I mean, it'd be cool if you could create your own engine, then make it all like that. So I mean, I think you can actually create your own programming language too, but that's another thing for another day. I want to create a basic function that to get add scores. All right, add
Now I can shoot in the
score.
back. Okay, now I can kill him.
Then for default, default's gonna be 0.
I see no problem with a silent shot. Silent shot.
So as scores. So you want points. So whatever. What we call it? Just call it num. By default, it'll be 0. Obviously.
There's nothing in the Discord that says to streaming.
It's my water bottle. Damn, I'm gonna water. I ran out of water so fast.
It's
Shit. What time is it?
Silent Assassin Cyberpunk.
I'm actually here for an hour, like I usually do. So by default, if you try to call it score, you don't add a number, it's gonna just give it 0. And it's gonna be a basic function
Oh shit.
at point. So it'll be global.game that points. I said PTS, I could shorten it a bit.
Any noise. How do I see him?
Of course, if you're working in a team,
Put him there.
or heck,
and
if
that guy there.
if you have terrible memory,
If I
it
fuck
is
around with this
ideal
thing, I
to create
think
comments to
give me
what
off
each
the
function
field,
does,
knock him out.
so you can watch. Even with every part of your code,
Oh, you just
as long as it's well documented,
Can you
it'll be easier for your other teammates to continue working on it and for you at a later time to work on it. But I find that I somehow can memorize
I know he's not
what the fuck I'm doing, even if it's an old game like 10 years ago. But I can't for some reason, and then I also have shitty memory for everything else, which is weird. But anyway, so I'm not gonna bother coding. This is literal straightforward code anyway, function anyway. We're trying to fucking A at
Yeah, I know because I'm
the
playing
amount.
World of
Oops. I did buy. I love this wireless keyboard, foldable one, but I find it's actually hard to type shit.
Hitman edition.
Maybe because my hands are fat or something, or
Oh,
huge.
It's the Edard.
But it
Eduardo,
had to
don't
miss
consider
some
that. You have a
buttons
camera
stuff. It's
What?
annoying sometimes, but I
Here we
gotta
go.
deal with it. I like it. It's a cool
If I
program.
hack this now, he'll be like,
What's
"Oh,
cool with gaming is you don't actually have to do this. But I just like doing it just because it's good practice to like no matter honestly no matter how
Oh, he takes
watered down they create their programming language, if they have their own programming language,
Where else you got?
it's still good to practice like the universal, like, you know,
Shit, God, there. Oh, so that's the
syntax
guy who's
and stuff like that, just so
Hey, listen,
when you move on to a
I'm
different
gonna knock
language,
him out, actually.
it should be relatively faster for you to learn them, you know. But I think if I remember correctly, I think languages like Python are really strict with that stuff. I remember when I was programming. The funny thing is, too, when I learned programming, was in high school, using
What if I
what-
hack this thing?
what the fuck language were we using? I think C plus. Was it C plus?
Destroy-
Java.
yeah,
One of those. They were the same. Basically, one of the syntax when you doing variables, right? It was when you want to store something, you do the colon, an equal space, then a number. But then I guess one day I was just chatting up in the forum or whatever, and then somewhere I was like, "Whoa, why do you have the colon? That shouldn't be there." I mean, it probably didn't sound like that. I wasn't trying to sound like an a-hole either. We were just trying to be helpful. But yeah, because realizing if you learn from different languages, like some things are going to be different. But now I've stopped doing that because I do agree with him. That's actually a lot faster to just have to just do it like this, because the colons is definitely unnecessary. So I don't know why the language I needed colon. I thought I was learning needed a colon specifically. So we're gonna add score. Then we're gonna get creative.
Oh no,
Well,
it's a fan.
I can create a function to clear the score function.
Please, stick your dick in your mouth, quick.
Clear
Don't worry about it.
score.
Jacking in. Oh, I see. Oh, that came out of my wrist.
So I don't need to put anything in there because we know that gum.
Platinum.
Ain't doing much for her, is it?
Oops, is a comma.
Guessing they jammed the transmitter sig.
We'll clear. We'll you know what? We'll do CLR instead. Oops.
Carajo, T-Bug. You ain't seeing this place. This is tubs, ice, hooks.
Clear score.
What hooks and cleavers?
You know what? Let's make it shorter with clear
Where's the
points.
Oh, just do it myself.
Found the shard. Removing now.
Points.
Oh, he's got a blooming micro SD.
Get a bit shorter than again.
Oh,
Add points. There you go.
bitch was hacked. We're basically just walking.
So that's what I want to call it. I don't want to write a shit long to make it too long. And so we got score. We got a thing.
Good math.
So now I'm gonna create a script called
What about the other dude?
to define an actor, which is basically the
guy that we
character.
just put face down in water.
Oops, script.
If you're unconscious. Whoa.
Then I'm gonna create a folder group
Oh, no.
within script called actors.
Oh god, she's choking.
Need to know what's going on.
Quick,
Jackie, air hypo. Fuck, this is bad.
an air hypo.
So, because this is what
Okay.
this is, I want to create this as a constructor. Although it's not very necessary, you don't have to do it this way. I just like using constructors. I do definitely take up more.
She's fucking wet, mate. And that dude's fucked.
But I mean, if the game's not big,
Not on my to-do list.
it's not that bad. And plus, I mean, a lot of this computer these days, even the cheaper ones these days, are pretty powerful. But we're gonna
Sorry.
pretty much constructors are written same way as functions.
Cool.
Except we get to add
Just lob her off.
dynamic
Oh.
or
Okay.
except it just has the keyword construct or.
Okay. Following instructions.
So clearly, so I don't know how I want to do this. What the way I do stats of different games is different. I'll use
How do I put it? Oh, here we go.
constructors. I'll use arrays, but I think I will use arrays because What's at least that way in the future I can add more stats. If I added more stats, I can just should be easy to add. So I'll create.
I don't like the gun being pointed at me, dude.
How am I gonna do this stuff? It's because again, I want this to be like a give me a reroll when you reroll when you play. Every time you go on a new adventure, it will reset your character level 1 basically.
Can you imagine if the paramedics came and they just like a SWAT team burst through your house? I thought I asked for help. 911. This is a medical emergency.
I think maybe I'll have the
SWAT team
stats
in right away.
not be based on level.
Anything
Like you'll level up mostly for what leveling up basically you can spend points to for your skill stuff,
Maybe my car.
skill bonuses, and I think I'm gonna have level up stats differently. It won't be tied to leveling up.
Oh, okay. I'm a bit of a. What's this? Pack of cards. No, I'm cool, man. I don't need junk. Oh no, I can break all this shit down.
I mean, you could literally do it either way. I could either do that or Let's try to not just work on stats. So stats. Begin array.
How do I? What's the window that I just clicked that? Oh, here is backpack. Crafting. There it is. Upgrade? No, can't upgrade anything yet.
I should definitely have a stat cap set too, huh? This time,
So that deck of cards.
I want to create a state right here.
What I get? 1 tier components. Oh, is it this thing? 2 tier. This 1 tier? Ah. I don't need a baton. What's this thing? Cyber deck shard. Oh.
Those are very. Let's see, just keep it there. Let's get macros. I want to get my macros.
Imagine Agent 47 looking like this.
Without. Why is my backspace not working? Oh.
Almost forgot.
It's very linear at the beginning, isn't it?
Oh, excuse me.
Who? Wakako. Oh, the Chinese lady. Okay.
Let's make it. I'm gonna do it out here. Just budget. You know. So this one will be like fixed variables.
Hello.
I don't want to know when people will be able to modify these.
Alive.
So you know what you call it.
That's what we agreed, isn't it?
I think casing counts. So I can just do this if I
Where the heart is. Yes.
want to. Thing is, I don't remember how to write enums. Guys, help me! I forgot. I think it's works similarly like
Oh, Jackie, we gotta go.
I think is this. So I'm gonna go
We
GM,
gotta go fast.
and then this could be stat cap.
Hey, I got street cred.
And then I think you do this.
I never get to do anything. I've just been a passenger the entire time.
I'm gonna set the stat cap to
I was a passenger last time when a robot drove.
100, and I
was a human
think
driving me.
each line is a
Am I
comma,
going to drive my own
comma,
fucking car?
kuma. Then when I want to use it, basically,
I'm just a passenger. Forever a passenger.
I'm gonna try to reroll its stats. So actually, let's go. Let's create a region,
Always
comment
steering my life.
region.
Forever it's forced to just
All stats.
stare out the window and look at the world go by.
Oops. So for future, let's see. So
City like any other, just bigger.
now I get a chat, folks. Exactly what? Oh shit! Velcro, no, Velcro. What's up, Velcro straps?
Legends are born here.
Or criminals.
Why don't them have it?
Criminals are
Fuck
born.
yeah.
They're not legends, they're bloody criminals.
Mostly don't wanna fucking
Yeah,
shake.
This is cool, no?
Starving.
Yeah.
Let's grab a tight bite. What do you say?
Okay, right.
Jackie,
Ooh,
you're
Alright.
locking down Watson.
movies.
So we're gonna have let's see. So we're just gonna have might. Stock something with might. Basically your offense power.
Oh, fuck.
And I think I'm gonna also you might and your offense power.
You know what? Yeah, keep it down. Don't get headshots there.
Let's realize your
He's gone the wrong way. We lost him. Good. Wait, where are you going? Watch out for the lady. They're coming back. Really hard to shoot this.
your
Oh wait, can I hack her?
physical
Oh, if I reboot the driver's
endurance.
optics, she ain't gonna see shit. What about this guy?
I mean, you can change it over time, but right now I'm just gonna create the variables and shit.
He didn't know where she's going.
Then we still might,
I rebooted her optics. She don't know where the fuck she's going.
because this is like a character also can
Oh,
you have additional
easy
roles
to
as
isn't it?
DPS, tank,
That's a
and
very
balance
educational
to
place.
support.
It's okay. It can wait.
18
My so like
Focus on getting home.
Lie. Pawn shop, but not PORN shop. PA.
The agility.
That's a good time porn. It's a utility porn.
This can affect. I think agility affects your can affect your movement speed, maybe
What the fuck?
how fast you move,
Oh.
and then let's see agility. The character can
Whoa, we
move,
got
can
mechs
dodge,
and
can
shit.
block, can hop.
No, don't kill me. Can I hack the mech? Oh, I can't hack the mech. Can you imagine if I could just get this thing to blow the shit out of her?
Agility, to move, but
What's it that makes you so special?
special move and
Oh, I get experience for just
small influence on your cooldowns. And then we'll go because you always start. Oh, we got HP, so you always start with HP. Actually, that was HP.
That's a shame.
let us through, bitch.
No model citizen, hey.
So HP will be another array. By default, will be 100 out of 100.
Let them through. But they're the last.
You can also do. You can also create this way too. By the way, if you just wanna make it easier for you.
Bye. Nice. Good work, Jackie. Good work.
So clearly, this will be HP.
So you can be nice. She took a liking to you. Yeah.
People like it, do
We end.
you? Right.
So it clearly be stamina. And then this one will just be special bar. One of we're gonna set it to a
This place looks so cool.
thousand, so an arbitrary number, 1,000, and special bar that fills per character, which is different per character. Might be
Oh,
called
look at the
Fury. It
next
might be
one.
called
Nice.
Energy. And it won't always be 0. So clearly we're gonna have might in there. We're gonna have might.
Well, that's Matt.
For now, I'm gonna put 0 might.
Those guys are fucked.
Look like your average voice.
Might.
Oh, that's max tag.
Agility.
You guys are fucked. See, this is what they changed in the thing. These guys will come after you if you fuck around with the police.
So I
too
can
much,
freaking move
and
speed.
These guys are designed to kill you. Hell yeah. Look at this bastard. He's fucking padded up to the brim.
If you're gonna be
He's
tanky, you can
full
definitely
of
increase
mods
your
and shit.
might, or it can be squishy, but at agility, which will again, movement speed can definitely increase your survivability too. If they can hit you, they
The
can.
second to
If
last
they can
is
catch you, they
whatever.
can hit you.
Not
You know what I
the one
mean?
where it's on fire, but it's the one where he's just like holding a machine gun in his hand.
So I'm wondering, it will also affect the give like
It's
a
like
bonus to
4
dodge
difficulties,
distance
isn't it?
too.
It's the second to last one. Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, definitely move
That guy's
speed
car disappeared.
as a
Let's send out
stat. So I'm gonna. So it,
Bug found.
Not likely to make it back to Hayward now.
or no, I'm gonna movement speed could be calculated differently. So I'm not gonna leave it in there. I'm not gonna put it in there. Let's see. There's gonna be like there's gonna be like mage characters and stuff like that, but they're not gonna be
Oh, it's a
separate.
cigarette.
So like
16
like
flavors.
intelligent or something. Because I think this is the game. I want to have the random activities. So I'll definitely have some charisma.
Watson Hall, did I just read?
We have like basic dialogue. It's not gonna be like deep as Fallout or something like that, but it could affect something in game.
Fist bump. Oh, yeah.
Affects
Can we go and watch what Louis' new series is
Persuasion.
starting on WNS?
situations. You know how that
Keeping
thing.
in the thing. It's called Watson
They
Hall,
might
new episodes.
Agility.
Starting on Wednesday, everyone. 10 o'clock. Don't miss it. Nothing. And again,
We're gonna have critical chances and critical
apparently compartments.
damage and dodging, but I don't know if they're gonna. Ooh.
What?
I don't want to be too. I don't want too many stats for no reason, honestly.
Oh god.
Let's see, then so you got your movement, your damage, your movement, and
Real water, only 99 something per gallon. What the? Contact your local dealer for real water. What the hell? They have synthetic water as an alternative?
well, for now, keep it like that simple right there. So now I'm gonna work on critical chance and us. So
Blood, 7.
critical chance. So I think
Happy hour.
they're gonna have you start with 0.
Crime and punishment and zombies.
Good chance, and then we're gonna hit just the critical damage would be a ×1 modifier.
Ew. Ew. There's good shit coming out of it. My room. Hey, I got shit in my room. Oh wait, isn't mine? Give me a room.
It's like the critical
Yeah,
stat cap,
stat.
right? Stat cap. If I want to do that, I'll just do this.
So,
If I wanna evade it,
This is the special secret stuff. I can get katana.
equals
Suit. That's what I
GM
want.
dot stat cap.
Two-handed bat.
Then it'll be 100.
If I'm not mistaken, you can now block in this. I like that. With a knife. Are these throwing?
Alright, let's go.
Machete. I want to
So right now we're gonna show out their stats. Like crit damage. That's basically it right now, I think.
Stupid pants. Cool pants.
Oh, agility.
Yeah, I made you 47 with the shit top. I definitely need a better one of these. Does anybody
We also have a
better-
charisma affect your ultimate fill up
Right, we got a good gun, a melee weapon,
on.
and my throwing knives. What's the difference between this one? Tier 1 knife. This is 200 headshot multiplier, and this one is poison chance. I will love this one.
Because this is has your power, it has an indirect effect at increasing your skill powers too, so if I should move on the small your cooldown, then charisma will affect your
I can now.
persuasion. I didn't misspell this persuasion.
So damage per second 0. I do no damage. Or is
Oh, this doesn't have a doesn't have a
Wait, I do no damage?
doesn't have
Critical
a
is 7.5.
thesaurus or
My critical
something.
chance is 7.5. My actual damage is over half.
This is what I thought about the keyboard. Because the T
Street cred.
is right close where the bending it, where the hold is, so it's kind of weird for to click it.
No health. I'm quite healthy.
Since both
Okay. This is the first time I've actually been able to pick. So we go-
advanced skill and ultimate are mechanically work on some sort of fill up mechanic, you know, either bar or stack, whatever.
Movement speed on the
I guess I'll only be on
floor.
bars, stacks would be different.
Killer instincts plus 25% damage with knives, axes, and silence weapons.
But
outside
advanced skill will always be a bar and I fill up. Ultimate will be different.
provide a preview. Oh,
So
this is the
damage,
initial
like
shot.
damage, critical crystal. I gotta add the
Okay, what else?
what else do we need?
One,
When I was gonna create the stay at, for example, enum
God of War instantly reignite something like. I want
start.
the faster you move, the more difficult the enemy. Yeah, well that makes sense. That's body. I can't do body yet. Okay, I can't get bodied. That sucks.
First one's
We're gonna have to
HP,
go.
second one is
I guess we'll just do this.
stamina.
Move the initial attack.
Third one is a special, so it's
Doing
just
this
SP.
will unlock-
And then
Oh no, doing this.
I'm gonna copy and paste so I can remember what they are.
What unlocks this then?
This is mostly for convenience, but if you're really good at memory and you know how to do it,
Revolvers.
SP. This is the purpose for using the for calling it
I have to do this
position
card?
in the array instead of using the
This
numbers.
one's got the thing coming out of it.
SP, stamina special, I think it might. I wanna just do right.
What if I put points into
Agility.
How do I put points into it? Oh, points into points.
Let's shorten it out.
Okay, I've now put points.
Energy.
Does that mean I now can do stuff? No.
Might or shorten it to
Let's see if I do this one.
mit.
What did I do? Do I
Yeah,
not
it's
have
so
that? Why
G.
can we fund it for free?
Migd.
Oh, it's still locked.
But it was like management. I definitely don't want to do MI.
Pro.
So when you pronounce might, it
Platinum,
just
Legend.
sounds like MITE, you know?
It doesn't seem to
It's just
be
the
as many
charisma of the
abilities as
Ka.
were in the other one. I remember there being like a clusterfuck of confusing
And crit
abilities.
chance.
Yeah,
Be
but I think that's
crit.
good, though.
Apparently it's at the bottom of the map.
How much is the
where
crit? And then for
guaranteed
crit damage, the
are.
crit.
Oh, is that the
B.
suit? No. Doing one, I think. Unlock.
I don't know. Honestly, I don't think it's got to be that complex
this
anymore.
one here has the cable coming up from it, but there's nothing coming up from these ones. So I'm just gonna.
I'm more about adding skills I can
When I do
modify
my
other
next level
skills.
up, it will then give me
I'll play
access
new
to
skill sets
this.
later on.
Or do I have to be a certain level to get this? What is this?
What's this 50?
Inventories hasn't changed.
How long have I been streaming now?
They're all locked. I don't think I have any. What is this?
40 minutes.
Is this my capacity of shit that I can put in myself? Maybe you unlock both
Yeah.
of those.
So I don't need this anymore.
That row to progress.
Boop.
Could be right.
So save.
Right. Go back to the thingy. So they've got.
Let's go to
because the
Actor.
ones
We're
at the
going back
bottom,
to
remember there used to
Actor.
be 6
I'm going to create a
attribute
function.
things, but one was always kind of grayed out with the assumption that it would become something. They've removed it now, so you've only got 5.
I could create this function outside of it too, but I like to create it inside.
What's this?
It's just gonna gen stats, so gen.
Yeah, probably. Oh, Shinobi. Increase movement speed, stamina. Oh, they've got like skills like this thing.
That's how you do it.
Headhunter. Increase visibility of enemies. Increase your RAM. Solo. Increase carrying capacity. Health. Perk points.
Right?
Engineers. Increase your armor. So the Shinobi one is
The hell?
movement speed, stamina. Perk. Increase accuracy for a short period of time during your dash.
That was weird.
I guess you invest points in these as you level up.
Save it.
I'm not really sure how that's gonna work, but we'll just.
So okay, we're just in this mostly one
Let's go. Right, so I say let's go, but we are literally about to go to sleep. Okay. This is on YouTube. You sound quite good. Are we not getting changed? You pikey. Hey. No bath, nothing. I thought it was gonna be a cutscene. The legit just flakes out on the bed. He can clean himself, didn't change his clothes. You filthy bugger. You just slept in your suit. Open my window. Please open your windows. It's a beautiful morning. Whoa. Ooh. Nice view. Jackie.
taking instead of
Mac and cheese.
thinking about register the stats randomize each time used of the adventure.
Brooklyn Doris.
So that way you gotta adapt. So each time you play, you gotta adapt to how it is.
Funky monkey.
I mean, I guess it. No, let's see. Because I want all 3 stats to be useful in some way.
Mirror doesn't work. Are we good? What's this? Wardrobe. No, I'm good. I got my suit. Wait, what's that?
So when you actually play, you'll have an idea how to build your character. But I'm also thinking this might be one of those things you don't want to reroll, but
Judge Dredd, Mega City.
it's either I want either stats on reroll per adventure or when you get the character. Because I also want to give an incentive to try other characters. I know people that would like to play their favorite character kind of thing, but I would like the ability. I would like at least get people to play other characters.
So many vending machines.
Oh, no, no, no. 14 is no good.
So I'm thinking maybe just have reroll the character stats. When you get them.
What you got? What you got?
Need to discuss
What are you
it.
selling?
My partner in crime.
Your partner.
What? The hell, Joe? Did your mama teach you nothing?
Shut the assembly line. Locked right
Hmm.
yesterday's convoy.
Well, I guess I would need a lore
Oh, bird.
based reason. Maybe stats get rerolled this time.
Oh, random shit. Oh, I know what I need. I need a weapon.
Whatever. I'm just
that
gonna
does
figure out how to
safety
do it.
and
So,
a weapon that
so
does-
ideally, so I don't know.
with the ro-
Hmm. Why is this not
The punch
red?
back
Did I
points back.
screw it up? Oh, whoops.
Uh-huh.
Fucking idiot. I don't know
Hey,
why.
if it kills me, what happens?
So used to putting equals.
Let's do this.
Oh, by the way, so if you don't know anything with enums,
Right back there.
Oh shit.
if you see this, if you don't put an exclamation, not an exclamation, equal there, by default it'll be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you know, etc.
Never mind. Fuck.
If you don't put anything in there, otherwise you store it.
Kaboof.
Yeah, when you do this, it'll store that number to that variable or whatever.
Alright, fucking block.
So just that. So I'm gonna
Fucking punching back, get a fucking damage.
so clear is only good for randomize for 3 stats
Punching.
basically.
Yeah, yeah.
And I'm gonna have to figure out a way how players will get critical chance because I don't want to like.
Nah, I'm cool. I have no money.
I think at max, this thing I should have like at max a total.
First after every shot now.
I have a pussy gun.
Let's have a look.
Because I definitely want a
Why is there a
good
gun per?
randomized distribution as well as not, you know, because I don't want like one stat to be fucking higher than another or the whole a lot of time every time you roll.
Go. How much cash do I have? 1384. You got lots on that. What does this do? So it said, oh, it's basically an attack one. It does attack speed, but no damage.
Because even that max
But I
stats,
can
well, if you have to
upgrade
max all your
that, right?
stats, I don't want them to go all past the total number. Like maybe a max
And
500
damage
each,
Reduction. That sounds good.
or you could do like 1,000 on one of them and then like
additional
250 on the other
Right,
one.
but
So
that's
like
pistol.
you know, kind of thing.
Tier 1. Tier 1. I think that's it, right?
Big numbers always like big numbers, so definitely go max. That'll be
You
1,000.
can have this knife, and you can have.
I'll put 100 up.
I'm not using a shotgun, so you can have all that.
See, 100.
You get quite big cash.
I like big numbers, so
Have that.
for numbers' sake, I should put it at
Right,
1,000.
some bullets. I'll keep the handgun ammo. Sniper ammo.
So each stat can be higher than 1,000, but
I just made a bit of cash.
Thanks a lot.
With that silence, what's that? You do that a bit less. You do a bit less damage. Not they give you less damage.
Come on. Get it out.
So if I put this, what's better? This one?
it
Wait,
could.
this
I'm trying to figure. I'm trying to
this
think
goes
how I want to generate the stat. I could
This goes down.
randomize each one to like between
Coil direction reduction.
a number to the stat cap, and then you know that means you could potentially get like
Which is a
all three higher than
muzzle
level than
upgrade. This is a
500.
silencer. So I do plus stealth damage and plus damage reduction. Plus 20 damage reduction. That's what I take, right? Damage reduction. Well, it's not the damage reduction on when I shoot, because that's kind of just stupid. So I'm going to be shooting you in the head.
Or do like a while loop.
Like it's more crit, right? If you use a pistol.
Because I realize I'm not gonna. I think I'm not gonna have it like
this.
have the player. I'm not gonna get the ability
Upgrade it.
to distribute the stats for the players.
Oh, good.
So basically, when you level up, you only choose like a skill, like a bonus for your
Oh, I
skills.
can actually make the materials.
Where is it?
as
This
well.
one. These
Oh,
ones,
you can
right,
make bullets.
right
If
here.
I'm desperate, I can just make bullets.
Each time you level up, I think the level cap I'm gonna reach level 20.
So basically, I can
Like
just
D&D,
so I can make bullets.
pretty much.
They're just tier 1 material. Oh, I could have made this.
And I'll have some unique skills
And the
per
silence.
character,
I
but as
wasted
well
my
as
money.
I don't know. Each character have a unique
Wait,
skill
I can't
tree
upgrade my pistol.
with skills.
I can only upgrade the machine gun.
to basically make your character stronger.
That does 24
I
damage.
guess.
Oh, this is the upgrade, alright. This is the one we want to
Mhm.
upgrade to. It looks
Mhm.
cool as well.
Mm.
What do I need? I need... Why do you keep saying insufficient components? Tier 2. I need these. I can craft these? How many can I craft? 4.
I know they're not. These are just their descriptions. I don't have any
I've got oh,
numerical
wow,
stats
okay,
for
so
them.
you're
Like their
doing
damage
breakdown
power
tier
and the
two.
chances that they
Tier 2
do and stuff like that.
Cool.
Just basic descriptions for
I
now.
want to see what you've got because you should take my money. Plus, my bullets cost
Fuck.
money too, so I can't afford to keep pissing the bullets on. Where am I going now? Ooh, what was that red dot on my map then?
All right, so let's see. If you want to max like balance that distribution, it would be 500, 500, 500. So that would total of 1,500. So I need 1,500 points to spend on all three stats. I don't know. Just put for now. Just put 1,500 down there. Then we're gonna. I think like for while this stat. Let's just do it.
Yeah, like
So
when you use the
we don't
silence,
have to.
normally you don't do as
So
much
var.
damage. Yeah, I
Oops.
see what you mean. But
Oops.
it didn't say minus.
Let's go home.
If that was the case,
Home.
it would say minus like 10 or 20
And
to my damage to my damage. No, it would be
well,
minus
that's
to my outward
let's go
damage.
stir.
So plus
That's the
damage
number
reduction,
we're gonna
it's
distribute.
increasing it. But is that my damage
All
that
three.
I take or the damage that I put out?
For the initial
What's
one,
that? Like I said, then that would make sense.
I
There
could
is
do a
damage
for
reduction
loop.
on my gun, but I'm only going to use it on the target that's that I need to kill. Oh, what's this? Oh, this is where you sell your shit. So if I have
I'll
guns,
create
I
a
don't
tempo.
but I currently do want to keep those guns for now. Where's Jackie? Jackie, where? Oh, Jackie.
Then R. For now, we'll have randomized stats. So random
Noodles.
range. Oops. Oops.
Check your email too, apparently.
And that'll be a stat
Oh, I need
that
to go to my
might
computer. I'll do that when I get to a computer.
to stat that. Ha. Oops. Right.
We only
Mid
accept
of the car.
euro dollars.
Those three will be randomized.
Euro dollars.
So I could do a while loop. I don't like while loops.
Yeah, dollars. Wait, this is America, right? America's been wait. The euro dollar.
Because all distribute is greater than 0. A random a number will be distributed a random stat. And yes, you could have it. I'm gonna actually have a 0 in this one of those options. I don't think things though, because I've had to go through 1,500 points. Just having a 0 would be very, very, very rare. But ooh, yeah. Maybe you could add like a little event that happens when you roll a stat spread with one of them being 0. Let's do that. Let's do that. Okay, so I'm gonna maybe do the while loop. So while
is there a
stir
country that also
greater than
uses the
0,
like Australians,
we're gonna
as well, but not the American dollar.
we're
they
gonna
have their dollar.
add
Does anyone in Europe use the dollar symbol? Like they have
that's.
their own dollar equivalent.
Oh, you know what? I almost forgot. I'm not gonna do this. I'm just gonna general.
That's what happens when you're outside the fish pond looking in. You forget.
Okay, I was gonna disable that, but it is disabled on.
Yeah, not that I know of. No, I can't. Well, they're all yours.
I don't know. I'm used to writing with at
I mean, there are some
stuff, but since that's off, I don't think I need to do that at symbol anymore.
Look, he's got a whole
Maybe. So there's that, and then that'll be R
Oh yeah, my car.
plus equals 1. No, I don't need to do plus 1. I just do from this idiot.
He's a card. That's cool.
And then this
call
stir
car.
minus 1.
Oh, car.
Then we're gonna randomize R again.
Was that my car coming there?
Huh.
Yeah, it's my car.
Everything scares me now.
Or am I
Hello?
finally driving my own car now? Where's this driving?
So I'm gonna take a
Wait, why is it on that?
pause here and grab something real quick.
Why is it on the wrong side? Try it again, sorry.
Actually, maybe I can maybe make you. No, screw it.
How do
Shut
I
up.
change my
Go.
camera? I just
Oh, shit.
engaged, isn't it? Oh, here we go. Oh, you can cycle through the. Where am I going? This way. Yeah. You don't want to piss off the police because they'll make your life a living hell. Dude, imagine if this game was in VR. It'd be so nice. Alright, where are we going? Down. Oh. Hey, I had a green light. How come you can go? Bullshit. Park on the red square? Got it. Wait, I haven't quite finished my maneuver. Oh, that's gonna but the car's not parked. Okay, never mind. It's a game, it's not real, Darius. Gary the Prophet.
Do you truly believe that those who have sold you your mechanical eyes have resisted the temptation
If that were true, I'd already be dead. You suggest I gouge out my implants, go blind?
Let's just say you're right. So what? Gouge out my optics? Thanks, but no thanks.
It's got to come out eventually.
But not the children of the future.
They probably have a cyber style, VR style demo. I'm trying.
We can yet save them. May the mothers shield their bodies. May the fathers instill their hatred for Crow.
Has he got a bin bag on?
But who are those?
Oh no, he's actually got. Oh no. Oh, what? Who is this guy?
In their wretchedness, they placate their weariness.
Jesus. Hey, pretty.
Inspector will see you now.
I'll sit tight over here. Me and Misty got a little kitchen.
Crystal radiation, 10.99 euro dollars. Chakra harmonizing, 1 hour to harmonize your chakra. 3 different incenses.
We got a new job.
Ooh,
lined
Misty special, 24.99. I bet Jackie likes that one. Let's go see the reproductor. I'm looking forward to the new stuff. Oh, cat. You can pet the cat. Is that new? Ah, petting the cat. Oh my god, totally worth 2.0. Unless you could already pet the cat and I just walk straight past it every time.
Vicky, surprise every old Ripper. It's good to see you.
Good to see you.
There were a few YouTubers in this, if I remember right too. What do you mean? What, in the game? Really?
That's key. Jack and more clients.
Funky monkey.
I might have got spiked.
Look at that. He's he's a fighting dude. Look, he's got trophy.
To bright lights.
Old kid and caboodle.
He doesn't have any. Look, he's got no.
You out in a flash. Besides that, how are things?
All right.
Need some new kit. But tools, not toys, Vic. Time I bumped up my sights and got a grip.
Oh, was this guy like a champion boxer before they started adding implants? Because he's got nothing on him.
Vic, shit's getting real. Got a job from Dex to Sean. Hitting the major leagues. Need
It's
Tech
Bob.
to perform.
It's Fruity Bob.
The Dexter Deshawn.
The extra douche.
Well,
You got anything else? In?
something. Hasn't paid you yet.
21,000. I don't think I can afford this.
Quit crying, Vic. I'll bring you the Eddies later. With interest. You know I will.
Wait, this guy's gonna give me a bunch of mods for free. Unless you got shit I can break down and sell back to you. Ooh, what's this?
Sheriff,
Certificate.
sit down. Relax.
Yeah. Be gentle with me. I'm a fragile baby boy.
Hiroshi Optics. Best I've got. And should be about right under the circumstances.
It's an eyeball.
Now,
I can't
Jack,
see that. Yeah, Jackie.
you peruse and choose while I scan. See what's going on.
Alright. Face and hands. Oh, this is much better than the last time. Mixology. So basically, I'm only allowed to get new eyeballs. Okay, are you sure you want to buy and install these eyeballs? Yes. I have eyeballs. Nice.
I got a shit.
Upgrade to tier 1 plus. I have minus 20%.
You know, I should have done.
Wait, these are slower. Oh, minus.
I should create another window.
They won't notice me as quickly, and I have 4 times optical zoom when scanning. Oh my god, and it's only worth $1. How does
Right?
everyone should have this?
Window capture.
Okay, what's this one?
Like a
Hand one. Ballistic
extra stream.
increases
Zero. In case I have another streamer watching in the
We
background,
don't use those.
you can watch two.
Directly links the user's optical implant to
Let's give a window.
offering real
Let's give a browser Twitch.
So I get a HUD
Browser.
and plus 1.4 reload speed. Yes, 1.4 seconds.
This should put a pop out.
Armor
The window.
indicates your
That'll
resistance
be
to damage.
Little
Armor
pop
level
out. I
is
just
what?
popped out.
8 out of 86, is it? The maximum is 86. Yeah.
Oh, I guess
yes.
it won't work.
What is this then?
Nah,
Cyberware capacity.
I guess
17 of
doesn't
27.
consider that. How do I get the window? Yeah,
I'm
no.
here? No, I'm 17. I'm here. god, I'm like, wait, what's?
Alright, fine.
I have no idea what's going on.
Maybe there's a little something going on.
What does that mean?
Oops.
What's intergovernmental system?
Do this, right?
Intergovernmental system cyber
New,
damage resistance.
Window.
Yeah, shoulder pads. Oh, plus 2 health.
Oh, it does have a picture-in-picture thing. Well, why can't I see it on here? Properties. What the hell? Oops.
Dot? There's a dot on this one.
Properties.
Oh, I can have this cyber.
There it is.
Explosion damage.
There we go.
Metatronic core.
Now.
5. It costs 5. Oh, it puts my bar up. Okay. So what is this?
I just did my little little preview.
Like, I cannot exceed this amount, maybe.
This one. That way, oops.
Let's see. Increase RAM recovery. Oh, it's also I can't afford it.
They can have a little preview of a stream or something.
That's quite fun.
Then I'm gonna copy this
Can't afford it.
with the other one.
It's expensive nervous
And
system.
paste a reference.
No, I can't run any little system. Operating system. What am I running on? Windows 10. I'm running
You
on
can
tier
watch
1.
a stream while I'm
Unitech, Paralink MK1.
developing the bubble gun.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna upgrade that.
Big enough?
Plus 5% movement speed when your health
Yeah, a little
drops
bigger.
25%. The more your health drops, the more movement speed increases. Plus 2 health. It's alright, I suppose. Legs.
Sure, what time is it? Oh, hold on, I was streaming.
Automatic load.
It is an hour, but since I paused, I'm gonna
Knife hand ASM.
do 10 more, 15 more minutes. So distribution,
Blades. Oh, I don't know.
uh,
No, I haven't got them yet. You
instance,
can get them, like,
gonna
what do you call them? Like little
right here.
blades will come out of your wrist, like really big
Open
ones.
it, and at
They become, like,
creation,
your, what you fight with.
we'll create a code there further down. But let's see, look at that. Oh,
Can I see if I go to the
so I'm just trying to make sure it doesn't,
oh, this thing.
you know.
If I go to let's just
Alright, alright.
Let's see if I can see the picture.
Where's that room I created? It was
I
in
guess
my
you've
face.
already seen that then, so you know what
Don't,
I'm
I don't know why I went to the room anyway. So we're gonna create an actor.
Where is it?
I'm gonna try to kick door.
So, yeah, you in this one,
Oops.
steel,
Well, you're not
so
type.
weapon steel allows you to deflect incoming projectiles with a sword. That's pretty dope.
Tour.
I'm not seeing the play. Did they remove those?
Oh, come on. Keyboard, really?
Oh, I don't see them. Oh, no, they got rid of those things? No,
Just really be careful with that touchpad. I wonder if we disable this, the touchpad on this one. Oh, shit.
Later on.
Without ripping it off.
Yeah, you've seen a bit of the game. Yeah, but I don't know if they're in this because I don't see
See
them.
that? So we got an actor. Then we're gonna actor. Or gen stats. I wish the functions you create in the distractors were also in orange, but what you gotta do. Then we're gonna show, I mean, debug message. Because I'm gonna message when it's a debug message. So I wanted to pop up. So, actor. Actor. Dot. Stats. And then,
Staple gun. You just staple.
that might.
The BCG. Remember the BCG? What was the one that we were allowed to take in year 9? You know, the one that they do the test on your wrist and then they give you the old
Edgy.
shoulder later on. That BCG?
Let's see how the distribution looks. Then it's
That
gonna.
reminds you of the little thing where you used to get the little circle. That's like that, except it was a massive fucking. Can you imagine that you do that when you're queuing up and she comes with that massive fucking stapler? What are you doing with my eyes? That massive stapler?
Let's test this. See the magic in action. Linking you in.
New eyeballs. Oh wait, that's not my
Ah.
eyeballs.
You might feel a little discomforted.
Oh, object.
I wouldn't have a clue.
Oh,
I can't remember
why
what
did I put an M there? Are you kidding me?
Whoa.
I tried to put an M somewhere in the.
Oh, you can't see the mic.
Why? Why do this?
Manufactured in 1983.
Mm, mhm.
Better than ever. Better than
That's
ever.
my agility and charisma.
I can't tell
It's
the
not
difference.
terrible.
What did you do? Oh. They're doing a jack. Best
Oh, you know what? You know what? I keep forgetting this. Hey. You know walk things, okay? Okay? Leave me alone. Want to get to the script or wherever in the program game. The first thing you want to do is to randomize everything.
Oh, cool.
Oops. God damn it! This fucking.
You can't tap ever again. That's it.
Yeah, I really need to find a way to figure out a way to
Back with your other-
disable that. Not a touchpad. And I don't really use it too much.
Let's see what.
I thought having a touchpad on it would be cool, so I don't have to reach out all the way to my laptop. But I realize now, trying to type. And I realize your pick could actually swipe it. Gotta randomize. Every time you make a randomize function, you gotta write that down. So 511,
Randomly getting shot.
95.
Oh, we're vaping already.
It's too spread evenly.
Get him.
Wait, now you want to go to function.
Talk to Jackie. No cat. I already petted you. You get one pet a day.
Called chance, and your number.
Thinking so. Jackie.
And what's a number?
And
I want to default it to 0.
Tony's got a big update apparently. Oh, when you say big, you mean like the sorcery one, Age of Sorcery, or
We're gonna,
another just minor?
we're gonna,
How big?
we're gonna clamp it.
Ooh, 25 gigabytes. That sounds like a big one.
So it can guarantee. I actually don't need to do that. I can just do this already. I'm an idiot. To make it if so it's gonna be out of 100. It's not gonna be an integer.
I
Can't remember.
listening, sorry, I was too. Looks like I need to.
Pretty sure.
Sean. Oh, but I can move around now. I'm free to move. Oh, who parked my car? Does my car park itself if I do bad parking? You know what? That's something they need to implement in today's cars. You
Can't
park like an
remember
idiot
if-
and walk away from your car will correct itself.
I remember if random. I'm not gonna just look at it. I just read it. There's all manual. I think random creates a random number between 0 and the
Go show
number -1, maybe. I can't remember. This is why. Oh, what the hell? What the hell? What'd I do? What's this? Oh yeah. So pretty much floating point number to 0 and the specified upper limit. Okay.
I'm guessing the
Let's just make it sure.
Oh,
So I want to return a number if the number you're given. So that's not equal to the number you're given.
nothing to do with me.
I give a 25% chance, and so the number is it rolls below at 25 or below, then it'll be a 1.
Hey, who's shooting?
If the randomized equal. Okay,
man, I
so
need your help.
we're gonna go back to stay it.
Oh,
Okay,
it's the
cool.
police. That's the police, right? Yeah, patrol officer.
And
I
then-
think it's the police. Do I get XP for killing these guys? I think I do a cheeky shot. Who are you? You're a police.
This is gonna be a
The
problem.
bad people.
Well, let's do it anyways.
There's fucking
If
grenades everywhere. Oh, this guy's the bad guy.
chance, I'll do
Oh wow, sniper.
50-50 first. No, I wanted to randomize. Random 50.
Quite hard actually. Hey, by the way, I'm helping you, okay? Don't start attacking me, okay? We cool beans? Yeah.
So it'll be a random number between 0 to
Girls
50,
is bad. Person.
and then we'll this.
Wait, can I hack this?
But I still want the numbers
short
to be
circuit. Sometimes, yeah.
to
It's got the agency thing on it.
regardless if it's a successful chance, it should randomize each time. Okay, let's just see how that works. See how that goes.
We good? We cool? Yeah.
Uh-oh.
How do I put my weapon on? How do I hold
X4.
the police off. Last thing I want is
Oh, whoops.
met tech to
Why? No?
holster the weapon. Oh, shit, can I not holster my weapon?
Oh, whoops, I forgot to clamp. God, I was too busy talking shit. Forgot to fix the clamp.
Toggle
Clamp! Forgot. I'm sorry.
Weapon.
0 to 100.
B.
There we go. Good lord.
Put it over there. There we go.
Mm.
Can I look?
Oh, you'll shake.
I need.
What?
I need tier 2.
God
tier.
damn it,
You
I'm
guys-
rusty.
you guys got all
Getting
of them?
rusty, boy. This isn't a skill. This isn't a skill-based
Oh,
game
this is-
either.
I hope I can break these all for tier 2 materials.
No. But I swear I put another one.
You're at, oh my god, this one.
Whatever.
Are you good? Is that everything? Oh no, police
Uh-oh.
officer. Can I loot the police officer? Oh, are you alright, mate? Okay,
One thing I also did
he's
forget.
not dead. He's not a body. He's alive.
Game Maker does not like plugins sometimes. Well, it doesn't take long. But I just remembered now that
Alright,
sometimes
you're dead.
Game Maker won't like
You good? No, you're dead too. Oh, you're
like
dead.
random plugins.
You alright?
But all my USB ports are already filled with a
Well,
plugin.
there's a lot of people dead here.
It might be a power to
There's
unplug
some people
something,
dead
but
too. Ooh.
hopefully not. But let's see.
Can I have the... Oh my
Oh,
god,
I
your
put-
leg.
Why don't you see? Why don't you? Oh, because that's in the. Forgot. Okay, so let me move this to here.
The guy's leg was everywhere.
So I got 489.
What's this? Oh,
49. Oh, it's just gonna be on that
So can I
main
now
screen,
break
so
that
you won't be
down?
able to see it. So I got
Can I get them
492.
better than what I already have?
The status
So
to be
you
still
can't silence it.
still not spread out.
Right.
They
Wait,
want
wait,
this
wait,
way
wait,
too
wait,
still
why
way
am I
too
so-
even.
Put the suit on. Yeah.
Let's decrease the chance to 10. Let's see what
No, I
happens.
want to break down. Break down. Backpack. Okay. Let's see. I don't want that. So
502,
if I'm disabled,
or 79,
disabled.
519.
Is there a way that I can just get rid of all junk?
If I put 0, then it should have all 0.
Insulated cap with protective.
Or I should get an infinite loop pretty much.
Pipe. No. Shitty shoes. No.
I think that's in loop right now.
What am I wearing? What is this? Pack of cigarettes? No, thank you. Vinyl? No, thank you.
Let's close that. Okay, so that definitely works. So let's try 5%.
Can I break those down? No.
5%.
Oh, I can sell these then?
Seconds.
A knife?
93.
Where's the throwing now?
I think I might have to do it a different way.
That's everything. Now I go
So 1.
Crafting. Upgrade. So I can upgrade anything. Oh, I can make these now. I still can't.
Pretty sure I've written the chance right, but it doesn't indicate that's wrong.
But I have this gun. I want to make
This is awkward. I'm sorry.
this one. Oh, I see. I need to make more of these things. What can I make? Make 7. There's not enough to make the gun.
Really?
I'm getting there. So it's fine. Getting there.
Let's do
I didn't
15.
actually do anything on that one. I just kind of third party from a safe distance.
It should be a 0 1,
More
so
instances where I
clearly
shoot
didn't hit
people in the head. Ground.
0.
Tire iron.
0.
That was Dexter in here. Hit it. Whoa.
Come on, there you go.
Man. Hey, go in. Wanna get in?
Yeah, it's definitely working.
So this is.
So
the
maybe we
guy
just make it
that will give
smaller.
you
Let's
the
do a
quest. That's
point.
like
This is a
the
decimal
first part
point.
of the story.
Oh, 5. So there's literally a 0.05%.
Doing his quest will kind of initiate the main body of the game and what it's mainly about. This is the first part. I remember doing this. I don't remember the other stuff.
Maybe that's not a good way to randomize my stats, maybe.
Mr. Nobody don't survive in 130. There's some sort of test. How they remember you. Mr. Nobody don't survive.
I guess I may have to
Being a nobody is. Oh, then again,
just do
even
randomizing each
27
stats.
is known quite well. But no one knows who
Just-
he is.
even though it
or
might
what he is. Or they know what he's like. What he
go
looks
higher
like.
than the 12
He
stats that I was
has-
hoping for.
He is still something that everyone fears.
You at least get as like low chance
You just know him as Agent
of
47.
stats. Damn.
Can I do Hitman missions already? Just gonna... Have you still got Age of Sorcery installed on your machine, Turner? Because I know you don't tend to delete anything.
Means I don't want this long to be too long.
Did Lars leave or is he still here? I think Lars went to get something, didn't he?
Oh, I guess I have to randomize these stats
Dude reminds me
individually, but
with some extra bits.
I just don't want it to have like a situation where you can get all high stats from the get-go, you know? Or all no stats.
Okay, okay.
Hmm.
Nails from what's the issue?
Hmm.
Right.
I'm not gonna do this.
Yeah, right.
Darius,
Hey man.
yeah, I'm gonna go watch some house.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'll be in the NK channel.
Okay, man.
Poke me if you're about to log off or something.
What if I create another one?
Okay.
Right?
Alright,
See you later.
see you later.
What is it?
Create a 3-prong attack.
Robot. Yeah. Oh, I remember now. I don't remember using it though.
Let's see what happens, just for funsies. Let's see how long this will be.
Oh, but they changed the.
That's kind of long.
Yeah, I remember. That.
Yeah, I'm gonna think of a different way. That's more normal needs to be. Yeah.
So how would I be able to infiltrate this area as a hitman?
Well, I guess we can now
Get in,
instead
calculate it,
increase
and leave
that
it.
to like let's see go let's go 50% chance 25
G-Bon's the prototype robot.
and 12.5. I gotta try that. So not severely low numbers, but so 502. Oh, no. I wonder if it's gonna put that. Let's, you know what? Let's do this. Put this one back in there. No. Oh, what if I just did that in the thing? And I'm an idiot. I should. There we go. You know what? I'm an idiot. I'm dumb. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. I guess you guys are. Yes, yeah, you guys already know what it is supposed to be doing, but now let's remove this.
Give him shit. Vote. He's got a fucking gun in his hand. Vote for me.
This is Durham. What? Oh, whoops.
So if I do more assassin,
I should have done it that way.
stealthy kind of gameplay and get points in
Bro.
that, I'll probably level up my Shinobi / ninjutsu
62.
skill trees. I'm
This
getting.
distribution is almost okay. It's a 15.
Am I getting it? You gonna let me out? Here we go.
88, 556, 436,
Oh my
537,
God.
543,
Blaze of glory.
8. You know what? It's too late now. Well, the only reason I did this because I thought it would show up on the screen, but it pops the window up on the main screen. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be hard to read the text at the debug window, but let's go 1, 5%. So once that will clearly be higher than the rest one of them.
Look up fucking 90 degrees to see the top of the building. That's some big ass building.
Almost good. Oh, maybe this is good. This is good. Alright, if I did 1%. Hold on. Go. 66. Okay, here now we're cooking 870. Now we're cooking. Now we are cooking.
We fucked up the environment so much.
97, 33, 825. Okay. Now we're cooking, baby. 292, 575, 633, 53, 294. Okay, we're cooking, baby. We're cooking. We can also get an even spread too. There's a chance for an even spread. There's a chance for one clearly favoring another. That's ooh, okay. We got it. We're there, almost there. That 1% is good. Zero. There's zero. It's a 1500. That's 1500 zero rolled. Alright. So, what are chances of a well-balanced round?
There's so much shit going on.
Ooh.
Nah, your shit ain't going nowhere. Whoa, put some shoes on, love.
Okay, I think I'm gonna keep it that way. That's good.
Oh, now I see it.
Well, I don't know if I've been streaming now.
Oh, we need
I wish I could see how much data
so
sent total.
Alright,
hour.
Ridiculous.
Alright, I'm gonna end the stream
Hey,
there.
shit.
I'm gonna take a break and go exercise. But only be back. I wanna. The things I don't know if I'm gonna stream my whole development. So maybe for the first few streams I'm gonna. We'll see. Once you get back. So thanks for dropping by. I'm gonna.
Someone was taking a picture.
Out. Peace.
This job's supposed